11. Instrumentation. Plant visit, workshop. Observe the workplace and gather data for the conditions during measurement relevant to the parameter assigned to you. Conduct the measurement. Evaluate the results based on TLVS. Pinpoint the existing controls and recommend measures for improvement. From your group, choose your leader, presenter, and secretary. Presentation and feedback session. Illumination. Conditions at sampling. 1. Observe and gather data. 2. Prepare the lux meter. 3. Conduct measurement, assign a measuring point. 4. Measure the illumination levels, lux. 5. Evaluate based on recommended lighting levels, OSHS. 6. Observe existing controls and recommend control measures. 7. Present and submit the corrected output. Conditions during illumination measurement. Description of work area. Condition of room surfaces. Enclosed/open. Reflectance/color. Source of light. Natural light. Skylight. Glass window. Door opening. Artificial light. Type, quantities of lamps. Louvers, diffuser. Weather condition. Sunny/rainy. Activity of the worker. Computer works. Reading and writing. Inspection. Description of the workflow. Know of workers and their position in relation to the source of light. Preparing the lux meter. Cover the photocell detector and slide the power switch to on. When cal is displayed on the display panel, depress the hold button. When 0000 displays in approximate 4 seconds, 0 adjustment is completed. Press hold button, 0.01 is displayed. Remove the cover on the photocell. Measurements can be made. ASCII. Alt. ASCII. Alt. Results of measurement. Indicate measuring instrument, e.g. Digital light meter, Dawson brand model DSM 155, unit of measurement, lux, result of measurement to include area/measuring points, illumination level, prescribed minimum illumination level and evaluation, pass or fail. ASCII. Alt. Recommended illumination levels based on OSH standards. A minimum of 50 lux. Handing of coarse materials, coal or ashes, rough sorting or grinding of clay products, for passageway, corridors, stairways, warehouses, storerooms for rough and bulky materials. A minimum of 100 lux. Production of semi-finished iron and steel products, rough assembling, milling of grains, opening, picking and carding of cotton for engine and boiler rooms, passenger and freight elevators, crating and boxing of departments, receiving and shipping rooms, storerooms and stockrooms for medium and fine materials, locker rooms, toilets, and washrooms. A minimum of 200 lux. Medium assembling, rough bench and machine works, rough inspection of testing of products, sewing light-colored textile or leather products, canning and preserving, meat packing. Planning of lumber and veneering. A minimum of 300 lux. Medium bench and machine work, medium inspection, fine testing, leather finishing and weaving cotton goods or light-colored cloth goods, or for office desk work with intermittent reading and writing and other related activities. A minimum of 500 lux. Long assembling, fine bench and machine work, fine inspection, fine polishing and beveling of glass, fine woodworking and weaving dark-colored cloth/goods, or for accounting, bookkeeping, drafting and other prolonged closed office desk work. A minimum of 1000 lux. Discrimination of extremely fine detail under conditions of poor contrast for long periods of time, such as for extra fine assembling instruments, jewelry and watch manufacturing, grading and sorting tobacco products, makeup and proofreading in printing plants, and inspection of sewing dark-colored cloth products. Sample measurement. Alt. Noise measurement. Steps. Conditions at sampling. Description of work area. Sources of noise, machines, etc. Type of noise. Number and activity of workers. Prepare the sound level meter and conduct measurement. Evaluate the results based on OSHSPNEL. Observe existing controls and recommend control measures. Present and submit the corrected output. Sound level meter. Unit of measurement dBA. Alt. Permissible noise exposure, pine, level. Duration/day hours, HR. Sound level dB, A. 8. 90. 6. 92. 4. 95. 3. 97. 2. 100. 1.5. 102. 1. 105. 1/2. 110. 1/4. 115. Ceiling value, no exposure in excess 115 dB, A, is allowed. Exposures to impulsive or impact noise shall not exceed 140 dB peak sound pressure level, C weighted. Reporting noise measurement. Report should include areas/measuring points, worker's position, noise level, dBA, evaluation, note duration of exposure, evaluate the noise readings as pass or fail and include recommendations. ASCII. Alt. ASCII. Alt. Thermal comfort. Measurement of temperature and relative humidity. Steps. Conditions at sampling. Description of work area, air-conditioned, etc. Visual inspection of work area, ventilation facilities. Prepare the psychrometer and conduct measurement. Evaluate the results based on international guidelines. Observe existing controls and recommend control measures. Present and submit the corrected output. Thermal conditions. Temperature and humidity. Recommended optimum temperature ranges from 20 degrees Celsius - 24 degrees Celsius for indoor office setting. Doctors and indoor air professionals recommend a relative air humidity level of 40 to 60% for human occupancy, proposed. Average humidity levels outdoors, moderate climate 70% to 75% relative humidity. General ventilation. Measurement of air movement/air velocity. Steps. Conditions at sampling. Description of work area, air-conditioned, etc. Visual inspection of plant, ventilation equipment, process, facilities. Prepare the anemometer and conduct measurement. Measure air velocities in work areas and worker's position. Evaluate the results based on OSHS. Observe existing controls and recommend control measures. Present and submit the corrected output. OSHS Rule 1076.04, Air Movement. 15 m, 50 feet, per minute, rainy season equals 0.25 m/sec. 45 m, 150 feet, per minute summer season equals 0.75 m/sec. ASCII. Alt. Summary. Work environment measurement, WEM. Promotes the health of workers by controlling the work environment. Prevents work-related diseases by minimizing the exposure of workers to hazardous conditions. Be inspired to become an industrial hygienist.